Are you sure you're ready for the loudness? Because I am not ready. M2 Hornet, Vikas, what have you done? So yeah, these boys are fitting the exhaust. They're changing this oval one over to the M2 Hornet. Stay tuned to the end to hear that new loud exhaust we've got. Oh my days. Oh my days. Put extension on, it'll be easier for you. Yeah, up. Left loose. Yeah, that's it. So plenty high enough. We've got the stand on the highest thing with a block, the jack on, and this stand there for extra safety. Right, so the joints here, it looks like it's a 17mm socket, and you might need a 17mm spanner. That's it. Let them soak.
Wait.
That's it.
Just dodged it.
Oh. What's it looking like?
Looks like it'll go on.
Yeah? Because it has been chopped and welded this a few times, as you can see. What's it looking like, yeah? Will the brackets line up?
Yeah, bang on.
Oh yeah, that way, yeah, bang on. Oh my days, this is gonna be so loud. Stay tuned, people, to the end. Do you need Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, mate? That's it. Come on.
He's bossing it up.
Watch your eyes, make sure no rust falls in your eyes.
3, 2, 1.
When we do loosen this, if you put your hand behind here, move your hand, your finger will get trapped between that and this. So make sure when it does twist that your finger doesn't get trapped between there and the subframe, yeah? Bottom bolt snapped. Taking that off, so you've got the top one to fight with. It's all going off. It's going off. Just the rubber's left to come off.
Mine's nearly off. Mine's off.
No, watch your head if it falls off.
Yeah, keep hold of it. You keep hold of it.
It's off. My side's off.
My side's off.
Is it off?
No, it's not. So what are you doing?
What's in it?
Is it? Oh.
You don't have to say custom.
There's no back one? No, there's no back one.
You have to get out slowly.
That's it, let it come down.
Don't let it fuck loud. Look at this.
Big back box, that. Looks like it's been made to fit. So this is the old one that's come out, and look at that's the new one that's going in. Look at the size of that box compared to this one.
There is no box in the box.
There is no box. What's inside there? Can you see that, guys? It's got like a piece of metal stuck inside. Get that screwdriver. What the hell is that? That's probably why it restricted some BSP there. Oh my days, where did that come from?
Is there another one in there?
No, just one. That was restricting airflow.
Yep, it was.
That's no good. Nothing inside there at all. Oh my days, yeah. So we're gonna let these lot fit these. I'm gonna go get some new nuts and bolts, and then let's see what this sounds like. Fresh new nuts and bolts for the boys. It's easy installation. All purchased from Tool Station. New nut and bolt for the bracket, yeah? You need head down there. Alright, boss. That's it.
Line up, continue.
There you go. See, it wasn't too hard, was it? Team effort. Okay. So the exhaust is all fitted, but it looks like it's sticking out.
About 5 inches?
Yeah, about 5 inches. But it doesn't look too bad because we got these canards or whatever you call them, splitter on it. Sharks, so it doesn't look too bad. Let's have a look. Yeah, it does look a bit funny. The guy who gave us the exhaust said he wants the first start up with the bung out. So, oi, let's take that bung out. Now it's straight through all the way. Let's just put this nut and bolt in here so we don't lose it. I don't even think if this is even going to make a difference. That's not baffled anyway, but oi. Time to fire it up.
2, 1, go.
He was not ready for that, were you?
Sound like a muscle car? Sound like a muscle car?
Oh, look how loud it is.
A Mustang GT? Whoa. Really loud.
Let's review now.
Yeah! Oh, that is mud. That is mud. We're not ready for this show, because we are not ready for this. Oh my days, should come on a different level.
Oh, my heart. You don't even know press it no more. What was that colourful amount?
Oh yeah.
What was that colourful amount?
They're gonna be setting everything up on this straight. Yeah. So we've got the main Honda man here. Let's see what he thinks of this. All good, man? We've been a bit busy, like.
Oh yeah. Oh shit! Music to my ears. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Yeah.
What's this?
Hey, Honda driver, you see?
Listen. This is on solid engine mounts, you know. This has got solid engine mounts.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Cars next level loud.
Too loud. Hey!
sick, you know. The handles, if not better than my own.
That might be because the camber arms you think because it's so wide. The back's like
Yeah,
proper
it's so
tilted.
sick, you know. I just love it. It's fully solid, man. It's on solid mounts, isn't it?
Guys, you know where to bring your car to now if you need tracking caster or camber arms and adjustment. Roundabout! Oh, roundabout! What it is?
Handles sick, you know.
You like that?
Handles sick.
It's approved by the Honda. Bradford's Honda Mafia, mate. Are you still here? Yeah.
Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Check out all the Honda videos. See you in the next one. Peace.